Okay guys, I'm going to just finish off this demo and show you the last module, which is our portfolio optimization. It's another word for it is modern portfolio theory. I just went and updated the data. I've sorted out all those issues where it was taking quite a lot of time. I mean, for instance, to click the report, you'll see how quick it is. Create report, this is for the 14th of May. I think it took a lot longer the last time. There we go, it's done. Okay, so now I go and click on Analyze, and I click here, Analyze Data from Report tab, and I should have done this. And what it's done here is it's developed a covariance matrix. There's a lot of stuff on here. I'm not going to go into all the details of it, but I'll just quickly give you a quick overview. But here what it's saying, ignore the value of the portfolio at 833,000, but it tells you a whole lot of interesting information: the volatility, the weighted average, moving average volatility, the market risk, beta, R squared, and the value at risk. That's how much of your portfolio is at risk at any point in time. Okay, but this isn't the sheet what we're going to do now. What we're trying to achieve with modern portfolio theory is there's a concept called an efficient frontier, and we want to get on that line and see how much we should have in each stock. At the moment, you'll see in Australia, Singapore, UK, there's 100 shares in each one, but that's not the most efficient portfolio. We want to be on that efficient portfolio, so we've got to go and optimize. And we say here, populate with portfolio data from Analyze. From that sheet, we click on that button. It's okay to clear data from this page, so we say yes. And it puts in a whole bunch of betas and volatilities here. Now, this is where the art comes in. You need to stick in here, what do you expect the returns going to be for each country? So Australia, Singapore, UK, you can see I've said, this is just an example. So for the UK, I've said minus 6%, whereas Australia, Singapore, it's positive. Europe is minus 5%, and Japan is minus 3%. So I say now, I'm going to click on this button here, and it's going to optimize the portfolio. See, oops, I pressed it twice. Here's your efficient frontier, and this is the spot on the efficient frontier, which is the most optimal. You can see you do that by doing your CAPM, and this is called your securities market line, this line where it intersects with the efficient frontier. Given the risk-free rate and all that, that's the most efficient portfolio. So let's have a look at what it does. And I say click here, show weights, and it will tell you you need to be long 24% Australia, you need to be long Singapore 28%, the UK it says have no position, Europe it says be minus 5%, Canada it's 50%, etc., etc. And you go through here and you'll see that it will give you a return, this portfolio will give you a return of 11.37%, the volatility of 25%, giving you a Sharpe ratio of 0.29, and you can see our current portfolio is going to give us a 1.27% return and a negative Sharpe ratio. So clearly, using the optimization function and modern portfolio theory, this is the way to go. Obviously, the big unknown is this line here, expected return, and this is where one has to rely on one's skills. And that's it. I'll continue another time.